Mark McKenzie with NSS Enterprises, and today we're going to take a look at one of our walk-behind scrubbers, the Wrangler 2616 DB. The Wrangler 2616 DB has a 26-inch scrub deck and holds 16 gallons of cleaning solution. It also has 2 scrub pressure settings, allowing you to choose between a more efficient floating head mode and a more effective lockdown mode, which is perfect for top scrubbing floor finish. The twist grip throttle control makes the machine easy to maneuver. The Wrangler 2616 DB features simple switches and levers to control the machine, and all the controls are marked with easy to recognize icons. The drain hose is located at the front of the machine. This helps your staff drain the machine in tight areas without having to walk backwards towards the sink. The recovery tank lifts open to allow complete access to maintain the batteries. Finally, the Wrangler 2616 DB is built tough for everyday use. The heavy-duty steel frame and stainless steel hardware make this machine a valuable asset you can rely on year after year. So, those are some of the highlights that make the Wrangler 2616 DB a great option for your cleaning program. I'm Mark McKenzie. Thanks for watching.